In this lesson, I want to explain how to add the sound on or off button or other URL button to your UI. You can double click going to the UI in a button here, the audio button. I want to add this button on the game. For example, I'm on the game. I want to turn on or off our sound. First, I have to add a sound to the my game. It's a word game and the word UI. Here you can select the sound to your word UI. We have to type up the sound. If you click the sound audio in a function, you can turn on or off all sound effects. It means the click effects, character effects, enemy die or anything effects, the sound effect and the background effect that I will already add. Here you can add your graphic if the button is on or off. Here I add music on, click and drag here, music off, click and drag here. Okay, the function here you can add a sound when you click or release your mouse. Or you can add a keyboard. It means if you select sound S, you can turn on or off your sound from your keyboard. And let's test it. If you start, as you can see, it's simply changed to the other graphic. If it is an on, it means all the sound. But if you want to turn sound effects, you can't do it. Another interesting button here is, for example, you can add it to the main menu. The button is Facebook button. You can add your Facebook address here or Facebook ID here. It's very simple. You can add a Facebook icon or anything that you want. Or if you want to add a custom URL, you can simply add a custom URL, your site or your website here. For test it, you have to go and export your game and you can test it because it needs to be the file, and after that you can export it.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.